The MageGee Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard is an impressive addition to any gamer's setup, offering a range of features that enhance both gaming and everyday use. With its compact 60% layout, this keyboard is perfect for those who want a practical and space-saving option without sacrificing performance. The absence of a numpad makes it even more compact and ideal for gamers and typists alike. One of the standout features is the RGB backlighting, providing a variety of lighting modes and colors to choose from. You can customize the brightness and breathing speed to your liking, making it perfect for late-night gaming sessions. The backlighting is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical, ensuring visibility in low-light conditions. The keyboard's ergonomic design is a welcome addition, especially for long gaming sessions or typing tasks. The key height is carefully considered, ensuring comfort and reducing fatigue during extended use. The imitation mechanical technology provides a satisfying mechanical feeling, enhancing the overall gaming experience. In terms of durability, the MageGee Mini boasts a waterproof circuit board with IPX4 certification. This means you can enjoy your snacks and drinks without worrying about accidental spills, as the keyboard is easy to clean. However, it's important to note that the interface itself is not waterproof, so caution is still advised. Compatibility is not an issue with this keyboard, as it works seamlessly with various operating systems, including Windows 10, Win 8, Win 7, Win Vista, and Windows XP. This makes it a versatile choice for different users and setups. Overall, the MageGee Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard offers an excellent balance of features, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, ergonomic design, and customizable RGB backlighting make it a great choice for gamers and typists seeking a practical and stylish keyboard. With its durable construction and wide compatibility, it's a reliable companion for any gaming or office setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.